Hello, my name is Anne Ekunde and I'm the owner of Cupcakes for Tacos. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a simple super moist chocolate cake. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I encourage you to do so. Subscribe, like, share our videos so that you get updates on our daily. For this recipe, all you need is 2 cups of plain flour, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, 2 large eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk. I will include the recipe for the buttermilk in our link below. 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1.5 spoon of vanilla flavor, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup of hot water, cup batter dispenser, and then our lined cupcake pan. So the next thing we are going to do is to incorporate all our dry ingredients together. So we are going to add our cocoa into the flour. Just pour it there. We'll put our baking powder, baking soda, we'll add our salt, our sugar, and then we'll incorporate using our hand mixer or a spatula. We are going to sieve all our dry ingredients together. When you get this, the result is awesome. It gives you a smooth in a dry bowl. You're going to just add all your wet ingredients together, your oil, flavor, buttermilk, your eggs, and lastly your 1 cup of water. After you have added all of them, all you need to do is to mix using a hand mixer. You mix until it is properly incorporated. Add all the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and then use an electric mixer to incorporate the mixture together. You have to whip until it is properly or nicely blended. You can see our batter is ready. You can see how glossy it looks. It's ready for baking. So we're going to just put it into our cupcake things and send it to the oven to bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Pour some of our batter into our cupcake dispenser. You don't have to fill it to the top so that you will not overflow your cupcake. Our cupcake is out of the oven. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can see how nice it came out. If you overfill your cupcake, you will have it spilled all over. As you can see, we don't have spillage around our pan. This is just perfect. So you can allow it to cool and cover with any frosting of your choice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep watching subsequent videos on how to make new things. And if you have subscribed, we are grateful. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.